Introducing the 2022 MSRT Crew Cab Ford Transit Custom, a perfect blend of motorsport-inspired design and practical versatility. With its aggressive styling including a bespoke body kit, 18-inch OZ racing alloys and a twin sport exhaust, it stands out on the road. Inside you'll find premium leather and suede upholstery with MSRT detailing, seating for up to 6 and Ford Sync 3 entertainment system with seamless connectivity. Powered by a high-performance EcoBlue diesel engine and featured tuned suspension, this van offers a sporty drive without compromising on practicality. Head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk or visit our site in Padworth to discover more on this amazing vehicle.